This video will help you to figure out how to set up your math missions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your name, and there should be a notification here saying that I put you in a grade level. This grade level will be what STAR says your grade level is, where you're missing some skills that you need to fix before you can move on to the next grade level in your STAR test. So we want to try and bridge these gaps and get you up to grade level. So you could be down to from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2. That's the span that I have for you. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click back, and it says Learner Home. And you're going to click on Learner Home. Now, it says 7th grade. Well, I put you in 5th grade, so you need to have that show up. So you hit Edit Courses, and you click See All 32. And then you click 5th grade, and you unclick 7th grade. Now, you can keep 7th grade or 8th grade clicked if you want. That's just fine. Okay? Continue to Courses. Okay? Now you're going to have 5th grade showing. Click See All. And then at the top it says Looking for Missions. Click here. So you click here. And this is going to take you to a assessment. Okay, this mission warm-up. You click Get Started. And then it's going to take you through a series of mastery challenge problems. Okay, and then here is where your missions are going to be. Okay, you need to, for your assignment, you need to complete each mission, 3 missions, and you screenshot every time it says you completed a mission. Okay, that is how you assign your missions. Let me know if you have any questions.